Lazada 660 sale now!
Who says I have a trader boyfriend?
He's so good at his job, projecting market trends.
Wow, he's a dentist.
But he finds undervalued stocks in seconds. Just like...
Stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me, and it's so sad to think that she don't see what